In today's video, I'll show you how to install 100% save file in SenseRow. Check my video description for this save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Navigate to SenseRow save file location. Go to C drive users, public documents, Steam, Rune 742420, remote, saves, SR, and this is your game progress. Before dropping this 100% save backup your game progress, create a new folder, name it as backup. Once done, drag and drop these files inside this backup folder and drag and drop the 100% save in this location. Open the backup and right click on this save random number, and this is the ID. Site rename and copy this name. Same for this MET and SF. So once you copied, right click on the 100% save we dropped, MET, rename, paste the ID and press enter. Do the same thing for SF, press enter. Once you're done, launch the game. Once you are in game, go to combine, load game, choose the 97% save file. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.